Hey everybody, this is Ryan. I'll give you a little overview and a tutorial of this waterproof tackle box and all the cool features that come along with it. Full disclosure, this company sent this to me, but no way whatsoever will it affect this review. I'm just here to give a tutorial. So the first thing to note is that this is waterproof. The material on here is it's pretty much going to prevent water from kind of getting inside or even outside if needed. Now, it's not something you would submerge. You're not going to dunk this thing, but is going to, if you're outside, it's raining or whatever, inside is going to be a little bit more challenging to get wet. Some close-ups on it. So this is, this is the size on it. It has a carrying handle on the top that's cushioned, like this. It does have a over-the-shoulder strap, so you can put it over your shoulder. It's adjustable. It is padded, depending on, have there. It has a camouflage kind of design to it. I think there might be a couple different color options. This is what this one looks like up close. It has a ton of pockets. So on the top here, when this opens up, you have a mesh pocket here. You have the storage pocket here that's kind of shallow, to kind of just, compact wise. And this is zipped up. Again, this is the top. You have something here, if you want to put a knife or something here, some kind of tool here, you have this like quick access point. Then when you unzip the main top, you can access this from the top, or you can access this from the side. So kind of give you an idea. So this is the side access. This is the top access. So you could have this closed, set this down, and access everything from the top. Kind of give you an idea size-wise what would fit in here. So from a side dimension, you're looking at, tray. Let's just say you're using sort of a, tackle tray inserts. They are going to be, end to end, it's about 11 inches. And then the other dimension, you're probably close to about, I would say 9 inches, so this way to this way. Depth wise, if you were just maxing it out, it's probably close to comfortably 9 inches going deep. The top flap has a clear section here for easy access to kind of see kind of what it is that you want to put in here. Got a zipper closure, so this keeps this all nice and neat, but also visible. So if accessing this from the side, you do have an additional strap here. So if you're keeping this open and moving around, the trays that you might have slid in here are just going to, slide out because you have this additional strap here, which is convenient. This zips up, then you also have additional storage on the outside, just tons of storage. Once this is zipped up, on the side, you have additional storage here that also zips up. An additional outside pocket here that goes all the way down. So you have a pocket this way and a pocket this way on the side. On this side, the scissors don't come with it, but just from an example standpoint, this could be where you wanted to put, tools, pliers. This is, pliers or knives or whatever it is, something that's here. You have some additional spots here for, 1, 2, 3, and 4, whether they're, any kind of tools that you might want. And you also have an additional storage going down this way on this side. So just a ton of storage. On the main face, you have this whole section is Velcro, and you have a removable American flag, but this is Velcro, so you can attach whatever it is that might be of importance to you. You have another pouch here, sort of a shallow pouch here, and you have an additional pouch here as well. This is set up to be used for fresh and salt water. Kind of give you an idea of the pull straps here on these zippers, kind of the quality of this, just to make these easy to pull, especially if you're in a sandy environment. These can be kind of challenging sometimes, manipulating the zipper when sand might be getting on there. So this kind of helps for sure. And this is what it would look like, if you had it over the shoulder. Again, this is adjustable, so you could have it hang even lower. hopefully any and all your questions got answered about this very cool, I would say extreme pocketed traveling tackle box, and we'll talk to you soon.